If you've got that small OneNote icon sitting in the bottom right corner of your taskbar and it keeps triggering quick notes in the background, you're probably wondering how to turn it off. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to disable OneNote Quick Note using the built-in settings inside the OneNote desktop app. This is a super quick fix, and it's perfect if you want a cleaner taskbar and fewer background pop-ups while you work. Before we begin, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more simple software tutorials just like this. Now let's jump in. First, open the OneNote desktop app on your computer. Make sure you're using the desktop version, not just the web app, because the settings we need are inside the full application. Once OneNote opens, look to the top left corner of the window and click File. This opens the main settings and account menu. From there, click Options. A new window will appear with several categories on the left side. Next, click the Display tab in the left sidebar. This is where OneNote keeps a few visual and taskbar related settings, including the one that controls the notification area icon. Now scroll down through the display options until you find the checkbox that says Place OneNote icon in the notification area of the taskbar. If this box is checked, that's what causes the OneNote icon to stay visible in your system tray and can lead to quick notes appearing in the background. To disable it, simply uncheck that box. Once you've done that, click OK to save your changes. After that, the OneNote icon should no longer appear in the notification area of your taskbar, and quick notes should stop popping up from that tray shortcut. If you ever want to turn it back on later, you can follow the same steps and check the box again. So just to recap, open OneNote, go to File, choose Options, open the Display tab, uncheck Place OneNote icon in the notification area of the taskbar, and click OK. That's all there is to it. If this video helped you, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more easy tech tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.